Have you ever looked for a piece of equipment online? Did you know there are thousands of websites and different prices for similar machines and trucks? Machinery Scanner is making the process easier. This platform does the work for you and instantly compares specifications and reports of the best machines from different websites in one place. Instead of searching for hours or spending too much money, Machinery Scanner makes it easy for you to find your ideal piece of equipment at the best price. Just go to machineryscanner.com, type the machine or truck's name, and click on search. It's that simple. Machinery Scanner scans the best portals worldwide and will show you the top results. You can even filter machines or outcome by type, brand, price, years, check if the company is certified, and read reviews about dealers before buying. Remember, Machinery Scanner shows you all the best results for the piece of equipment you are looking for to find products from dealers you can actually trust in a safer and faster way. Don't forget, once you find the right machine or truck, we can organize an inspection and deliver it worldwide. All this from your office or your couch. Machinery, trucks, or tractors? Machinery Scanner.